We've already covered our entire excerpt from Canaries, and that's through measure 58. But in this video, I want to provide you with a little more context and add a few practice tips for your performances. This weekend, I created 3 metronome recordings to help you with your practice. The recordings use 3 different bass tempos. The notated performance tempo is dotted quarter equals 90. This is remarkably fast, but I anticipate some of you will be able to match or in some cases go beyond that tempo. But for the rest of you, I have another recording that starts at 78. The slowest recording, and this is the one that we will start with now, begins at 70. So let's begin with measures 1 through the downbeat of 6. Now previously, I asked you to share your ideas regarding the groupings and metric ambiguity of measures 4 through 6 on Blackboard. As with measures 29 and 36 through 37, I like to hear measures 4 and 5 in 3/4 time. Now I'll ultimately still conduct the notated dotted quarter meter because I want to hear the slowing of the rhythms as a metric dissonance instead of a rhythmic one. So here's the way I will be counting these measures. Measure 4 will be counted 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So in 3/4 time, that's going to group this way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again in 3/4, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now in 6/8 time, it'll sound this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In measure 5, I want you to notice that the last 3 notes are rhythmically equivalent to the timpani rhythm. I want to hear this displacement, so for measures 5 through the downbeat of 6, I'm going to say 1, 2, timpani, ni. So like measure 29, I want the note on the downbeat of 6 to be an echo of the previous gesture and to be unclear in its metric placement. So measures 5 and 6, if you hear that in 3/4 time, it'll be grouped this way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, timpani, ni. Again in 3/4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, timpani, ni. Back in 6/8 time, of course, it'll sound this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, timpani, ni. Okay, let's try counting and conducting measures 1 through the downbeat of 6 with our metronome. Now there's a 2-measure lead-in in each one of these recordings. So here's measure 1 through the downbeat of 6. Punny, timpani, timpani, 1, 2, 3, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, timpani. Let's do that one more time. So this again has 4 counts of an introduction. It goes ta 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 ta, beat 1. So here we go again. Punny, timpani, timpani, 1, 2, 3, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, timpani. Let's try going from measure 6 all the way through measure 24. Now the first time we'll do it conducting only. So measure 6 to the downbeat of, through measure 24, conducting only. Ready, and... In measures 23 and 24, I'm going to start setting up my new tempo in measure 25 by conducting measures 23 and 24 in 1. Now actually I'm going to treat measures 23 as beat 1 and measure 24 as a beat 2. Now this corresponds exactly to the new tempo in measure 25. All right, we're going to do that same section as measures 6 through 24, but now we're going to do both conducting and counting. One, one, two, one, two, one, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 2, 3, timpani, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Notice I'm doing my best to inflect the 4 timpani pitches. Now, you may not want to start by doing that, but it is a good idea to incorporate this into your performance. Let's do that one more time. 6 through 24. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 2, 3, timpani, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. How about doing measures 1 through 24? Measures 1 all the way through 24. Here we go. Bunny, 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 1, 2, 3, bunny, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, bunny. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 2, 3, timpani, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Starting in measure 25, let's try to go all the way to the downbeat of 38. So starting in measure 25, let's go all the way to the downbeat of 38. We don't have any tempo changes, and the only meter change we have is in measure 37, and that's that single 9/8 bar in the sea of 6/8 measures. In measure 29, I'm still using that timpani-ni echo effect, and I'm going to treat measure 36 just like I did measure 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so measure 25 all the way into the downbeat of measure 38. Bunny 1, bunny 10, bunny, bunny 1, 2, 3, 10, bunny 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, bunny 1, 1, 1, bunny 10, bunny 10. Bunny 1, 2, 3, 10, bunny 1, 2, 3, 10, bunny 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay, for measures 41 and 42, there's a weird grouping that I didn't notice before. So starting on beat 2 of measure 41, the beat is divided into 4 parts, but the grouping appears to be in 3. The group that starts on the accented last note of measure 41 lasts 5 notes until the next accent on beat 2 of measure 42. From that point on, we're in groups of 3, so counting to 5 there really makes my head hurt. So I've chosen to divide the 5 into 2 plus 3, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, although unaccented, the 3-note C-sharp B C-sharp motive that starts on the second note of measure 42, it continues to be accented after that. So we see those 3 notes as a group. This time, let's go from measure 37, and we're going to go to about 46. 37 to about 46. 37 to 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, timpani, 1, 2, 3, timpani, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, timpani, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Starting in measure 47, well, at least measures 47 and 48, I'm going to count and articulate the notated rhythms grouped into 5s, like this. So Starting in 47 and 48, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. In measure 49, I want you to count 4 groups of 5. I want you to accent the ones and inflect the pitch contours. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start in measure 47 and go through the downbeat of measure 50. Starting in 47 and going through the downbeat of 50. The count off is still going to be in compound meter, so you will be subdividing into 4/16ths, but leading into it, we are still in compound meter. So here's 47 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. For measure 50, the first 2 beats need to be aurally subdivided. So beat 1 divides into 5 parts and beat 2 divides into 4. So this time, starting in measure 47 and going all the way through measure 50, we're going to go all the way to the downbeat of measure 51. So this time we're going to start in measure 47 and go all the way to the downbeat of 51. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. Finally, let's try measure 50 to the end. Starting in measure 50, going to the end. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so all of these metronome recordings are on Blackboard for you to practice. If you have any problems at all, let me know. Thanks.